पीची पिंक फाउंडेशन या कंसीलर लगा तो सब छुप जाता है, जो भी प्रॉब्लम छुप जाता है। लेकिन जैसे आप देखें काफी लोग गोरा दिखने के चक्कर में इतना सब और भी और दिख के आता है प्रॉब्लम। या Now I'm using the NARS Beauty Foundation. It's the Radiant Creamy Concealing Foundation. Okay? So I'm mixing two colors. Again, I'm using a peachy undertone and then I'm using a little fairer tone. This is the lighter tone, which is more yellow. Powder light आ जाए। क्या? Again, I'm using the stippling technique, which is the dabbing technique.
I was thinking about something.
You know what you do? Like Now because we're doing like a bridal inspired look, हम लोग इसको थोड़ा और गोरा बनाएंगे, लेकिन भूत नहीं बनाएंगे। Can you see already she's looking a little lighter and brighter, but I'm going to make it a little more brighter, but not whiter. Now I'm using a C1, which is again by Face and Body, which is a nice light color. Okay, so I'm going to use it in the highlight areas. Always check the shoulders, behind the neck, behind the ears to make sure it's all even and one tone, okay? Can you see the foundation looking nice and clean and dewy? Okay. Now I'm going to use a little bit of cream blush. So I'm using this apples. It's by the Balm Company. If you've seen, I've also modeled for this company called the Balm Company. I've done the whole ad campaign with their makeup range, and this is one of the lovely, iconic product which is called the Creme Blush. Okay. So in this I'm not going to do too much of contouring because that was a bronze section. We did a lot of contouring. इसको जरूरत पड़ेगी उतनी contouring लेकिन we keep more flush, more peachy pink. Okay. So it looks very Kashmiri, very nice, very soft. Now I'm using something called the Crystal Highlighter. This is by my one and very favorite brand called Red and Black. अगर आप जानते हैं मैंने इसके कम से कम 12 सेमिनार किए बॉम्बे से लेके राजकोट, अहमदाबाद, बड़ौदा, सूरत, एवरीवेयर. It's really nice high-end brand. ये पॉकेट फ्रेंडली है लेकिन इसका प्रोडक्ट बहुत ही मस्त है. अगर आप देखेंगे आपको आइडिया आएगा. Like the name suggests, it's called a diamond cream. Smell. They can just shine the cream. Can you see the glow that it instantly gives? सबको दिख रहा है पीछे डार्लिंग? क्या हुआ, सबको नींद आ रही है क्या? खाना ज्यादा हो गया, ओवर बजट हो गया खाना. Okay, just dab, dab, dab. Now I'm going to be doing black smoky eyes. So I'm first doing a nice base with everything, ताकि चेहरा डरावना ना लगे.
This is the NARS liquid blush.
Yes, my darling. This is called the orgasm dust.
Yeah.
Okay? Can you hold the brush with me? नहीं आप मत पकड़ो. Just slightly blend करना है बफिंग ब्रश से ताकि बराबर से घुल मिल जाए स्किन में. Punch. Now give the loose powder a little bit on the lips. again, I'm just doing on the upper lid the powder and just little bit on the highlights area. ये अभी नहीं लगने वाला टाइम इसको बंद कर दिया. And I'm just. Why am I doing this? Can somebody tell me?
To clean the face.
Yes, exactly. Because we've done a creme, so obviously we'll do this, so it kind of gives a nice shape to the jawline and to the cheekbone. I'm still not going to powder the under eye. I'm going to do that last, like I explained. Now I'll show you another trick. Now I'm using a brown pencil first as my base for the shadow. Start. And again I'm taking a flat brush and just blending. Now I'm taking the Tarte palette and using a brown shadow on top of this. Then I'm taking a black pencil again and just doing the lash line, okay? Okay, यहाँ रखो. Pencil मत रखो. So within 2 minutes you have a nice perfect smoky eye happening without any fallout, touch wood. I'm using the fluffy brush and just enhancing the crease line. Yeah, so far so good. Can you see my strokes are exactly in alignment? I've not put any cello tape, nothing, all that shit which people show on Instagram. They're just a sheer waste.
पीछे हूँ.
सिर्फ बाजू में. Darling, again it's getting hot, huh? Please ask for the AC to cool down. और जिसको ठंडी लग रही है वो बाहर चला जाए, please. Sure. Again, I'm taking the round fluffy brush and exaggerating the outer crease. Now if I check, I always make sure both my lines are in alignment. Okay? Now I'm using a black coal inside the eye, just from the inner corner to the outer corner without touching the tear duct. जो tear duct अंदर है वहाँ अंदर तक नहीं जाने तो फिर आँख छोटी हो जाती है. Okay? Now I'm taking a brown pencil on the bottom. Look up.
Which pencil is that?
It's a Nika pencil. You can use any brand. The black one is Huda Beauty. You can use any black brown, doesn't really matter. So we're just smoking a little brown shadow to keep it intact, okay? Again, we're going to curl the lash. Yeah. What is the name of the lash? So mascara nahi hai. Mascara nahi hai. Again, I'm using the mascara by Forever 52. चीज इसमें यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं, उसमें नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं. So the brown is really nice and soft.
Sally girl.
It's Europe girl, darling, not LA girl. LA जाना भी नामुमकिन है, बेबी. कोविड टेस्ट चाहिए. So see, the brown is really pretty. Okay, so there's no do's and don'ts. You can't use the contour for the eyes. You can't use the eyeshadow for a blush. I sometimes just mix and match depending what I feel the color consistency is really good. You can do that. Yeah. What is it called? So like you're seeing, I'm using the Europe Girl eyelashes and they call LAVIA Labia. Okay, and Europe Girl gives Ojas Rajani students a specialized discount. So if anybody's interested, you can watch them on Instagram, on my Instagram, everywhere. Pehले contour. पहले उनको बताना है. परी को उठा के ले जाएगा। हाँ आफरीन, आप ठीक हो? Rocky, now I'm about to feel Now again I'm going to take a little bit of the gel liner. बाद में बापरे उल्टी कराएंगे। Now the trick of the gel is to immediately smudge it while it's wet. Back then, Nadine, sorry. Have you seen some heroine look like this? Who does her eyes like this? A guess?
No, Deepika.
And? Deepika and?
Aishwarya.
Exactly. She does these smoky eyes very well. Close. तो आपने देखा हमने इतने सारे डार्क कलर्स, काले कलर्स लगाए टचवुड, लेकिन कोई फॉल आउट हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? क्यों नहीं हुआ? Any answers for that?
Yeah, because
How come we didn't have any fallout, darling?
it was because you put it with the
Pencil,
pencil
creamy
first
pencil
and
for
then
powder.
the shadow.
Exactly. And when I was doing the shadow also, there's something I said. What did I do?
Just that.
Exactly. It was just dabbing. So my whole technique is about dabbing, whether I'm doing base, whether I'm doing anything, I'm just dabbing. Close. So when you follow that, you're safer. There's no tension at all. You get the desired look without wasting time. Because supposing आप bride, मम्मी, बहन कर रहे हो और एक के पीछे आप आधा दे के घंटा आइस में लगा रहे हो, तो हो गया ना कल्याण आपके करियर का। Look up. I believe there are some makeup artists who take 3 hours just for makeup. I don't know क्या ऐसा बाबा वो 3 घंटा करते हैं. Still the bride looks like a nokran, you know, that she looks like some heroine. Close. બરાબર છે ને મેકઅપ કરીને બી ફાઈ બાદ દેખાય છે કે એવું કઈ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મેશન નથી થતું એટલું મહેનત કરે છે 3 કલાક શું કરે છે મેકઅપ ऐसा क्या करते 3 घंटा आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड इमेजिन आपको सुबह दोपहर शाम 3 ऑर्डर्स आप पहुंच ही नहीं पाएंगे इतना टाइम लगाएंगे तो आप एंड ऑफ योर करियर तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दी शॉर्टकट दे ऑलवेज कम इन हैंडी ये सेमिनार करने का मतलब है कि हम सबकी अलग अलग मेकअप आर्ट की टिप्स ट्रिक्स देखें कि आप फटाफट कैसे शॉर्टकट में कैन डू अ गुड जॉब क्योंकि मैं जो है अभी इसको आने दे कि खुद फुटेज खा रही इतना आने दे इसको बैठ जा वहाँ भी तो बैठ की शूटिंग कर उसका एकदम सबको बारी बारी चांस तो डाली देखा ये ओके पर क्यों डर रही इतना आंखों से देखो वैसे भी कुछ हो जाएगा चुप जाएगा तो इतना जल रहा है बाप से पानी का तो ओ सारी पनीर वाली चाहिए ना How do you wear it so long? Hats off, yeah. Monday. Now again, I'm using like a pinky undertone concealer just to make it look more softer under the eyes, okay? Because इतना काला आँख है तो आँख soft दिखना चाहिए, एकदम एकदम शैतान जैसा आँख दिखता है, ठीक है? क्या कर रही हैं आप दीदी?
नहीं मैं आपको ये
वो लूजर चाहिए।
लूज है
आपकी तरह वो भी लूज है दानी। हाँ, आपकी तरह लूज है दानी।
एक मिनट बनी है।
लगा? Now again, I'm using the Europe Girl contour kit. So first, just create your dimension of the line that you want to contour, and then just go on enhancing it. Okay? And see, the consistency is very good of the Europe Girl. जरा सा लगाया, कितना सारा लग रहा है, okay? Get it, darling?
Yeah.
आधे जन बात ही करने आए यहाँ पे। वहाँ का आ रहा है आवाज। What is the noise from there? चप्पल 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 क्या?
So it's not always necessary to use a cream contour.
Very good question. I try and avoid cream contour. Why is A, we live in India. मेकअप शिफ्ट होता है, प्लस क्या होता है क्रीम कॉन्टूरिंग फॉरनर से उनकी स्किन मक्खन नरम है, यहाँ किसको खड्डा है, पिंपल है, रैश है, आप क्रीम कर वो हिलते रहेगा। प्लस वो मम्मी बेटा केम से गए ना तो पूरा हाथ में आ जाता है, या कुछ भी करो कुछ जैसे डोंट इवन एंडोर्स एयर ब्रश, क्योंकि एयर ब्रश में यही प्रॉब्लम है, जैसे मम्मी पापा बेटा बेटा के पूरा बेटा का असली रूप आ जाता है कि दूल्हा भाग जाएगा। हाँ? वो बोलेगा दूल्हा मम्मी ये वो नहीं है, ये तो भूत है। क्या दीदी एकदम न्यूट चाहिए I'm using this lovely Makeup Forever Sheen. Now if you see the eyes are quite strong, so I'm going to the eyebrows very soft and subtle, not too much of filling.
पहले पतली थी तो अब फिर अब ये
So I'm using again a very soft brown. तो अगर आपको कभी किसी की eyebrows अच्छी लगे soft, तो जरूरी नहीं कि उसके भरना ही है. Just wherever you feel there's a little gap or anything, you can, there's a place of improvisation, then you can improve. Like see, जरा सा कर दिया front में हो गया. Okay, any questions so far? Light with pencil?
Yeah.
Very lightly. Maybe you didn't cut this side. What is this? My head? What is this? What is this? So I'm using like a very nude lip pencil and I'm mixing two colors. One is Meher and one is Yash. क्या बेटा? क्या चाहिए? So see how pretty this color looks with the smoky eyes.
Which brand is this?
MAC and MAC completely. Huh? If anybody ever needs makeup products, I even sell makeup product Academy at a 20% discount. You're more than welcome to visit. Where the earrings? Sarah, can I have the earrings? And can somebody get from Vishaka double tape?
Puna. Video.
Yoma, get up now. You've been sitting around too much. Go help Vishaka and get me a double tape for the mum. Tail comb bhi nahi idhar. Where's Sunny?
I'll bring.
Yeah, please. Tail comb, hairspray, everything. Quickly, hurry up. And make sure Donal is ready. कितना बजा है अभी? 4:20. हमने कितने बजे स्टार्ट किया था? 3:30. So not bad, no? In an hour we're almost done. That also explaining करके. Normally makeup should not take more than half an hour, 40 minutes max. Yeah, that's what your target should be. Because क्या होता है, client भी bore हो जाते हैं, like you know, people will not sit on your feet, but next time say यार in what time इसको मत बुलाओ, and then you're losing work. And always make sure your phones are on silent when you do a client, because I think that's bad manners. Imagine आज हम बाल कटवाना जाए या कलर का बड़े करीब फोन आया उठाए. We don't like the same thing. I think when you're doing some service, that's basic manners that you put your phone off. You know. Then we on the tongue also. Hope she knows. Make sure you don't bend too much, because otherwise the mouth becomes very She's gone, right? Okay. Vishaka, Nandi, Aarti, you are the right. Look down. Look down. Look down. Tong? Okay, we don't need the tong. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. You think like that? Shrija, can you run and get an invisible pin from her? Invisible, quickly. You must complain to the jewelry lady. Her jewelry shit, the quality is like horrible. अभी लगाया भी नहीं, टूट गया मांगटी का. Okay, done, get up. Give my phone, Raksha. With my bag. Click on the phone.
कंपोज कर ली
शूट भी करेंगे वीडियो
Come down. Stand there. Stand there.
समझ
Please. Done now. Okay. Beautiful. क्या हुआ इसको वापस?
अरे वो पकड़ के रखो
Sorry. Am I touching it? No, right? Look at the light, babe. Study body, yeah, lovely. Stunning. Beautiful. Keep that attitude, that's lovely. Jaw slightly down, it's going too high, yeah. Sleepy eyes, don't do that. Beautiful. Can you give me one looking there and down? Stunning. One close eye. Yeah. Slightly chin down. Beautiful. One press. One more. Don't hide your face. थोड़ा ज़्यादा दिखाएं. थोड़ा कम प्रोफाइल. हाँ, love.
मैडम मैडम मैडम
Can you click Kunal one lamba?
Yes, sir. I click from this.
No, from my phone.
Ah.
Oh, I just Okay, thank you.
Disham, see, it's going live over here.
Now we don't
Can
need
you
for
put
you.
it's live?
Yeah.
Not say post some.
Okay, is Donald done with the hair?
Just 5 minutes.
Okay, give her 5 minutes. कपड़ा पहना दो. तभी और नजर लग जाए मैं क्या हम कहाँ करते हैं? कहाँ बड़ा था? Where is sunny you bastard? Just see this. So can you call for the Bernol or something? I don't know. क्या लगाते हो जो जख्म? हाँ, Colgate.
Nice.
There's a thing you put for a burnt mark ताकि बांक नहीं रहे.
Bas.
हाँ?
Thank you.
Silver X. Can you ask for a Silver X?
Hey, you know, बंद करिए.
कोई भी मेडिकल में मिल जाएगा, please. So hey guys, here we are live from my masterclass. I'd like to announce this is me, Ojas Rajani, and I'm starting my new batch in my academy in Mumbai, Bandra West, from the 3rd of March, which is going to be with hair and makeup and with my favorite model Resham Sahani and many more to come. I'm sure आप सबने देखा होगा कि हमारी academy रोज कोई television star, Bollywood star कोई ना कोई आता ही रहता है और हमारा 3 मार्च से कोर्स मुंबई में शुरू होगा, जिसमें प्रैक्टिस के साथ, मॉडल्स के साथ फोटोशूट, पोर्टफोलियो और सब प्रोडक्ट के लिए प्रैक्टिस के लिए सब प्रोडक्ट्स दिए जाएंगे. If you're interested, WhatsApp me, call me, DM me and email me. Yeah.